So guys, today we are in Wayside farm shop, and I will tell you how does the milk come from, and it's raw milk. And after that, we'll show you the real cows. So inside here, we just put 5 and 10 pound notes in here, and over here we put like 10, the same I think, maybe. Go quick. And the milk, you can pick 2 liters or 1 liter too. So after that, we have to get a cap from you, and then we just lock it when it's done. So now it's done, I think. And then put the cap.
Collect it out. Yeah.
Over here, then you close the cap.
There you go.
So now we get another bottle. Our last bottle, 3 bottles you have to get. And I'm going to just get ready of this. 1 liter's quarter. This is maybe. Nobody's over there, and it's just a vending machine. So now it's done. And we close the cap again. So now we will see the cows, the real cows. So we can, the cows are over there where you can see the big place, where you can see a truck inside there. Now we see the cows. When we're all over there. Look, that's the cow. Let's go near and rain. Hay and grass. I think the milk comes from that fat thing over there. It comes from. So now I'm going to tell you about a cow. Where does the milk come from? Their butt. That circle where that line is coming from, that's where the milk comes from. And now we're done, and we will now drink the raw milk. And bye guys, bye. I'm cold. Bye.